just a pageant pro, he's got more to show. From catwalks to kitchen talk, he's a connoisseur, no balk. With a heart so kind.
Hindi masyado mahaba yung question, mga 35 lang.
Mga ano to, 105. Ito na talaga yung closed door na to.
Hi, Kay.
Hello, sir.
Ay, wait lang mo. Mag-introduce pala muna ako.
He's second to
Hi everyone, this is Ken, TPG the Pageant Guy. And for today's video, kasama natin si Kaylin Trajano.
Hello! Magandang umaga, hapon at gabi sa inyo sa lahat na nanonood dyan sa YouTube, TikTok at Instagram. Maraming salamat. It's an honor to be with Sir Ken. And finally, nakita rin tayo in
Finally,
person.
kasi a long while.
Ang fresh, guys.
Di ba, for a long while, na-message na kita way back pa, years pa, nung unang
Correct.
pageant mo. Kasi kinongratulate kita ata
Sobra.
noon. Diba?
Oo.
Tapos,
Sinuportahan mo ko doon.
imagine, I was active pa sa pageantry that time.
Correct.
Diba?
Oo nga. Kayo yun.
Kami yun. And then, after that, I preferred to have my solo account para at least kahit paano makita nila yung totoong opinion ko.
Correct.
Because, pag sa pageant page kasi, pag marami ko yung admins, akala nila ikaw lang lahat yun.
Totoo.
Diba?
Tsaka nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding din.
Correct.
Diba?
About the thoughts and all.
Yes.
And Kaylin, grabe. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yes.
Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako po talaga nag-message sa kanya for today na gusto ko siya ma-interview kasi alam ko nang pupunta na siya ng Thailand bukas.
Tomorrow. Yes po.
So, mag-i-interview na tayo ha. I prepared mga 46 questions lang.
Perfect.
Magugutom ka
Dapat
na.
per one question, one candidate. Since kami, 58, dapat dagdagan pa yan.
Joke lang guys. I prepared some lang. So,
Yes.
parang kilalanin natin si Kaylin. Okay? Can you tell us a little bit background lang about sa sarili mo?
So guys, I'm 31 years old. I'm proud of my age.
Oh, you don't look like
Thank
31.
you.
Parang 30 lang. Joke lang.
30 kahapon. I'm proud of myself naman po. I'm proud of my age. Kasi syempre, di ba, yun nga sinasabi natin na hindi batayan ng edad kung anong kaya mong maarating sa buhay mo. Like, di ba, sir, ikaw, kung anong gusto mong mag-expand, gusto mong subukan, sinusubukan mo. I'm a graduate of Mass Communications and I have a master's degree with entrepreneurship and business. And then I also have my own business. Meron din po akong organization, charity organization. Meron din akong tinutulungang mga NGOs. I work with public service as well. Pero syempre through donations lang. Baka iniisip ninyo, politician ako. Hindi ako politician, guys. Ano lang, tulong lang. Kumbaga kung may makaka-work tayong ambag, correct, ambag sa lipunan. At least may ambag tayo sa lipunan. Charis. So yun po, and then I'm a creative. In marketing po, I do production, I do event coordination, I do campaign shoots with different brands. I work with a lot of beauty brands. I specialize with that as well. And then now, ngayon naman po pinapurso ko talaga yung dream ko sa pageantry na at least ngayon magagawa ko na yung masigaw na yung Pilipinas. So,
Finally, no?
Finally.
We've been wishing for that also for you since you joined a local
MUPH.
pageant,
Yeah,
di ba, that
MUPH.
time. Grabe, nirorot ka rin namin that time eh. Kasi imagine mo for the first time, di
Nagkaroon
ba?
ng kagaya ko.
Di ba? A representation, perfect
Totoo.
representation, though things did not work.
Yes.
But
things didn't
eventually-
work. Because I get it's not the right time. Yun
Yeah,
lang naman yun.
timing
And
lang
it's
naman.
okay ha.
Mm.
Baka kasi inisip ng tao, hoy, pinipilit mo yung sarili mo.
Oh,
Hindi ko
hindi,
mo pinilit. Ano lang talaga. Sinubukan ko kasi sinabihan naman nila akong pwede. Pero I guess, at the end of the day, may mga tao pa sa
Technicalities.
organisasyon. Technicalities. At baka hindi pa talaga handa yung Pilipinas.
Correct.
Pero tingnan mo naman ngayon.
Hindi ba?
Diba? Talagang you have to wait lang. So I guess, sa lahat ng mga tao dyan na takot, sumubok lang talaga kayo guys. Kasi darating at darating talaga. Promise.
It's just a
darating talaga
timing,
yun.
matter of
Timing lang
timing.
talaga.
So, having said that, what inspired you to join Miss Grand All-Stars?
Well, one, it's the inaugural pageant. And knowing na ang label ko nga sa Pilipinas ay the first ng the first. So, why not be the first here, di ba? And ang saya kasi nga, hindi lang pala ako yung first.
Correct,
Hindi na kami
correct.
the first, the many na kami. The one of many na. Hindi na the first, the one of many, which is good. Kasi at least, di ba, alam nyo ba, na sa ibang pageant din kasi, kaya hindi rin siguro accepted yung mga kagaya ko. Kasi hindi rin naman comfortable yung ibang babae.
Yeah,
Ito kasi, dahil alam nila na pwede lahat, so yung mga babaeng kasali dito is talagang they're also embracing that inclusivity.
Kumbaga, they're aware.
Exactly. At may mga moms na sumali, may mga divorced, may mga single parents, ageism. So alam mo yun, parang sila rin may kanya-kanya silang representation at pinaglalaban. So magsasama-sama yung mga taong alam nila sa sarili nila na kaya pa nila, pero ba't hindi nangyari or hindi napagbigyan? Ngayon, we are all given a chance. So, ang saya.
Exactly.
Diba?
And at the same time, open naman sa lahat. So why
Exactly,
not?
diba? At hindi naman ibig sabihin ng ganon. Alam ko naman sasabihin ng mga fans, ay nako, walang mananalong trans dyan, walang mananalong nanay or ganito, ganyan, kasi dapat ganito lang ang gusto ni Nawat. guys, clarify lang namin, iba po ang MGI All-Stars na pageant
Sa
sa
MGI.
Miss Grand International.
At the same time ngayon kasi, may set of judges.
Yes, di ba? So, you will see the scores. Nakikita nyo naman sa mga posts ni Papa Nawat, nilalabas yung mga scores parang per labas. So, makikita mo na agad, kahit ikaw sa sarili mo, ay, shit, di ako pasak. Ganon.
Kumbaga,
Ay,
hindi yung hulaan ko ng mga mas, ay, hindi to bet ni Nawat.
favoritism mo. Oh, wala yan. Ito, kita mo na agad. Ikaw lang mismo sa sarili mo, di ba? Ay, wala ako sis, labas na ako mag-isa, huwag mo nang tawag. Di ba? Charot lang.
Thank you, ladies
Di
na
ba?
ako.
Alam mo na, ay, wala. Hindi pumasok yung 1 plus 7.9. Ay, hindi, wala. Go, labas na tayo. Charot lang. Pero di ba, again,
Correct.
it's a different organization. The first of its kind. So, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, iba po ito sa lahat ng pageant.
Exactly.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa rin nila alam kung ano yung gusto nilang manalo dito. Hindi pa natin alam kung ano ba yung mold, ano ba yung ano.
Wala pang prototype.
Wala pa, di ba? So, give everyone a chance.
Correct.
So, kung sino man manalo dito, di at least we know.
Benefit of the doubt muna bago kayo
Exactly, di ba? Dati nga walang babaeng gobyerno at saka presidente.
yeah.
Ano nangyari? Di ba?
Meron na. And
Exactly.
feeling ko kailangan natin soon about yan. And we will talk about that
Okay.
soon. So, having said that, paano ka nag-prepare? How did you prepare for this pageant? Kasi I've heard a while back na about dun sa interview mo. Pero gusto ko rin marinig ng ating mga
Sige.
viewers.
As a creative nga, sabi ko nga, dahil represent ko yung Philippines, ang hirap na represent ko lang kung ano lang yung gusto ko, kung ano lang yung nangyayari, kasi it's not representation.
Correct.
It's narcissism. Di ba?
Sarili lang.
Sarili lang. Parang ako lang ba? Given a chance na pwede kong isigaw ngayon ng Philippines, pangalan ko, organisasyon ko, sabi ko, gusto kong dalhin talaga yung creative side ko dito. Which is yun nga, I did fashion, design studies. 1 sem lang, hindi ko natapos kasi, pero I still have my passion for that. I worked with the designers. I've been in the modeling industry for 12 to 13 years. So sabi ko, baka it's time na hindi ko lang dalhin yung pangalan ng Pilipinas, pero yung mga kanilang mga gawa.
Oh.
Which is, nag-travel po kami sa Pampanga, Bulacan, sino ba mga Pangasinan.
Rian Fernandez, Pangasinan, Bulacan, Manihalasan.
Alam mo na!
Pampanga, si Mark Tumang Orbench. Oh, di ba?
Sino pa?
Sino ba mga taga Pampanga? Di ba inulaan ko na, baka nag-Cebu ka pa ha?
Ay, hindi. Meron tayong Mindanao. Meron kami
Mindanao.
Ay, yes. Meron
Si Gerson?
May Maranao kami. May Ibanag. May
Oh.
Ibanag, Maranao, Banaka. Mga Banaka. Yeah.
Very much represented ng mga designers all over the Philippines.
Yes. At saka hindi lang po
Fairness.
mga malalakas na designers or mga renowned designers. We even gave newbies a chance. One of my stylists and my up-and-coming huge designer now is Luigi Cabalin. He's from Manila. He's actually from Fairview, Quezon City. And I want you guys to see his creations. This is up to par with the big names. And he's just up-and-coming designer po. But imagine, you will see. And I wanted to support those kasi sabi ko, a lot of people think na pagka lumalaban internationally, ang bit-bit mo lang yung mga malalakas.
Oo,
Pero
usually
guys,
branded. Na ganun.
ang daming baguhan na talentadong Pinoy at they need a chance. As a creative, I felt that.
Agree rin
I felt
ako dyan.
that. Diba? Ang dami sa ating hindi nabibigyan ng pagkakataon. And kung ako isa sa mga taong pwede silang bigyan ng pagkakataon, dadaling ko sila internationally.
Kudos. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun. Kasi yun yung mindset kasi ng mga young fans ngayon ng mga pageant na, for example, si Rian may napatunayan na, si Leo may napatunayan na, dito na lang tayo. Parang ganun kasi yung ginagawa ng mga tao ngayon or nasasabi nila, wala namang masama doon.
Nakakalimutan nila yung
Nakakalimutan
tao.
nila yung mga may potential. So,
at paano naman yung mga kabataan na gusto rin sumubok?
Correct.
Kailan pa sila mag-aantay?
pag mag-retire na si Leo
Diba?
Almodal, pag
Parang
mag-retire na si Rian
Forever na lang ba
Fernandez.
sila magiging, forever na ba sila maging assistant ng kung sino?
Oo,
Forever
correct.
na lang ba silang mag-aantay at maghihirap kung kailan dapat? Kung pwede naman ngayon pa lang bigyan na ng chance para malaman na nila kung para doon sila sa
Oo.
industriyang yun.
Correct. So anyway, having said that, what sets you apart from our candidates sa MGI All-Stars?
I guess, being in that position, what sets me apart is yun nga, may ability to adapt. My ability to understand the other cultures, my ability to know that word respect. When you go to another country, you're not just going to a country as a tourist or as someone who's just, I'm a queen and this is how I am. You need to respect their
The
culture.
law.
The law. The
Practices.
exactly, the language.
No,
At
language.
least, don't disrespect and make fun of the way they talk or speak. But adapt. Diba?
Correct.
A lot of people do that. They make fun of it, and sometimes they don't know. It makes them feel awkward and much more doubtful of themselves.
True.
Instead, if you go there, you respect their nation, their country, their culture. You dress up accordingly to how they are. And that is what I wanted to bring here. That ability to adapt and the ability to give respect and pay homage to the people in the place that I'm coming through. Plus, bring my wisdom and my experience. Diba?
As a Filipina.
As a Filipino, hindi mo naman binabago eh. It's more of like you're just working together, like a collaboration, a partnership.
Correct.
Diba? In a pageantry or in any setting of either corporate or freelancing, partnership and collaboration is so important because you will never grow and expand without that. And organizations just like pageantry values collaboration, partnership, sponsorships, and behavioral and culture fits because that's when you know that you could prosper together and grow together.
Especially ang pageantry kasi it doesn't work the one way eh.
No.
Dapat two-way siya.
How am I gonna crown you if you don't even bring business to me?
Correct.
How are you valuable in my organization? How can I, as a candidate, bring value to the organization and both grow? So it's a coexisting habitat.
Correct. Kasi yun yung something na nakakalimutan ng ibang candidates. Malakas ako sa Q&A, malakas ako sa pasarela.
Or maganda ako.
Maganda ako, matangkad ako, yung
Yes.
mga ganyan, no?
Mayaman ako.
It's all about the physique, di ba? Nakakalimutan na nila, paano yung relationship, di
Diba?
ba? It's always like that. I admire that, yung sinabi mo na i-adapt mo rin kung ano yung
Oo,
culture,
at-
respect.
yes.
Ganda
Yes.
nun.
At hindi ko ilalagay sa ulo ko yung corona na may jewelry or corona ako dito. Pag pumunta ako doon, hindi ka naman kilala eh. Kapwa, ano ka lang, ang tingin nila sa'yo normal na taong mamamayan na okay, nandito ka sa platform na to, beauty queen ka, but that's your job.
Correct.
It's not who you are. Apart from being a beauty queen, I come back home, I still brush my teeth, and I sleep with pajamas, and I'm not a queen when you're sleeping. When you're eating, you're
Normal
not a
ka
queen.
lang.
You're a normal human being that just is beauty pageantry and being a beauty queen is your job. And your job is to be a role model and to be that symbol of hope, light, and positivity to the women, to the men, and to the other organization because you bring business.
Correct.
Without that light, without that symbol of positivity, no brand would want to work with you.
Exactly. Ganun naman kasi talaga representation. But with the title MGI All-Stars Philippines, what do you want to achieve from it?
Expansion of myself, growth, business. I wanted to grow with the organization. I wanted them to see that they could do business with me, not just through by votes or fan base, because it goes beyond that. You can have the best and best resume of higher votes, higher fan base, but that doesn't mean it monetizes you or it gives money or value to the person. What gives value is that you're able to meet random person and be able to relate and touch that person's life organically because that's what's gonna give you that longevity in the industry. Plus, it's much more contagious than just a simple like, share, and comment. So that's what I want to bring. I want to bring that relatability and that aspect na I am a real person representing real people and this is how we can work and grow together and achieve our dreams through a certain platform or certain aspiration and goal through pageantry or a different institution or organization, but through kindness, heart, respect, and, adaptability.
So having said all those things, no, experiences in pageantry, lahat ng mga wisdom natin about sa pageantry,
Yes.
ang tanong ko, ano yung pinakamasakit na word na nakita mo, nabasa mo, narinig mo sa pageantry na to? Be it comment ng iyong mga fans, ng haters, or ng iyong mga mentors?
Sinasabi nila sa akin until now na hindi naman daw ako deserve na, wala naman daw ako napatunayan, hindi naman daw ako deserve na sumali dito, bakit daw ako nandito, dapat iba na lang din kumuha ng spot ko. And that's, I guess, maybe they're correct. Hindi naman mo sinasabing mali yun kasi that's their opinion and that's their idealism about my candidacy and maybe because they don't know me yet.
Correct.
So I see that also as a motivation kasi tama nga naman, hindi mo ako kilala. So tama nga na hindi ako deserve kasi yun yung pananaw mo. So now, let me show you bakit ako deserving.
Oo, correct naman yun. And actually, yun din yung gusto ko sana na talaga na ipanaganap sa mga ating mga viewers. Kasi that's the reason why na pinilit ko talagang mangyari tong
Thank
interview
you.
natin na to. Because people don't know you yet. And actually, I don't know you personally, but I just see you
Exactly.
online.
Yeah.
And it's quite inspiring to see Kaylin grow. Nakita ko talaga kung paano siya nag-grow all throughout. And
Salamat.
I won't take so much of your time. Invite everyone to support you on your upcoming journey.
Yes, sa lahat po na nanonood, kapwa ko Pilipino, sa komunidad natin, sa LGBT, maraming salamat at please supportahan niyo po ako at lahat din po ng mga Pilipina nakasali dito. deserve po ng mga contestant at mga representatives namin ang pagmamahal ninyo kasi we're doing this not only for ourselves but for you and for all the communities that we're representing. We have a mom, we have someone who's coming back in pageantry as a strong heavy hitter, we have a winner, and we have a dayuhan that felt home in the Philippines, and you have me who's been doing this for a long time, and I wanted to show more of myself and finally represent you in the way, the most creative and storytelling version that I could do for someone like me that wants to find hope in life. So please support all of us, and I'm grateful to the naysayers, grateful to the believers, because of you I keep on fighting. And I will really give a good fight for the Philippines, for the communities. And maraming salamat again sa mga media, kagaya ninyo. Really, I'm telling you guys this, sa lahat ng media na nagbibigay ng time sa amin dito, mahal ng gasolina, pumupunta sila dito. 'Di ba? Nakikikain sa amin, grabe, sobrang pasasalamat. Hindi lahat ng tao ganyan, pero ang mga media na nagmamahal sa mga beauty queens na kagaya namin, sobrang pasasalamat at gratitude namin kasi merong bayad man or wala, you're doing this for us and you're giving your time.
Yeah.
Sometimes nga, kaibigan natin, hindi nga nabibigay ng
Oo,
time.
diba?
Pero kayo nabibigay nyo. So grateful tayo dyan. At let's be kind. Let's just spread kindness, heart, and love. At the end of the day, we will continue moving forward with happiness, with love. Tingnan nyo, nakangiti ngayon si Ken. Sobrang, kasi nga, di ba, full of positivity and love. Ganun siya.
So thank you so much, Kaylin, and thank you for giving me so much of your time. I know you're busy and good luck.
Thank you.
And hopefully,
Tomorrow!
Diba?
Lilipad na po tayo.
congrats
Wow,
already.
excited.
Kasi at least sisigaw ka na ng Philippines.
Finally, yes.
Finally.
Yes.
Goodbye, everyone!
Bye, everyone! Like, share, and subscribe to Cam!
Not just a pageant pro, he's got more to show. From catwalks to kitchen talk, he's a connoisseur, no balk. With a heart so kind and true, Ken Young TPG, we salute you. A man of many talents, fun in pageants, food and